Hi guys, it's Anna. So today's video, I'm gonna be opening another squishy package for you. Yeah, this is gonna be scoop video. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. Hi guys, it's Anna. So today's video, I'm gonna be opening another squishy package. Obviously, squishy package. So let's get on with this. I already covered up my address and my recent name, so let's just open it. It's a little weird because I ordered quite a lot of things. And they're homemade, they're just flavors, but that's what I like. I quite like them, so kind of buy a lot of squishy buns. So, okay, let's just go into my room because I'm not feeling this right here. So let's go inside of my room. This is my fight song. Let's just get recording. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my little stand for you guys. So, yeah. Okay, now let's open it. Okay, I see a squishy, but I don't know where is my invoice. Like somewhere, it has to be somewhere like right here. Okay, got my invoice. Okay, let's open it. I'm pretty sure this is my invoice or note. It doesn't say. Oh, it's my invoice, guys. Okay, you wanna read it? Right there. I'm not gonna read it because obviously. I'm gonna read it for you guys, just for you. So my total is 116. So I ordered the scary bun, wacky bun, 2 winky. Okay, again. Scary bun for $8, wacky bun for $9, 2 winky buns for $16, Hello Kitty buns for $10, 2 kiss bun for $20, donut bun for $3, panda bun for $11, cry bun for $12, kiss bun for $2, rainbow bun for $3, tacos for $5, candy roll for $17. So my total is $116. So, let me grab my scary bun first. This is my scary bun. This is the exact same thing that they showed me on the picture. So I got this one. It looks so cute. Got that one. Okay, now we need my wacky bun. I just ripped out the let's get my wacky bun. She said she gave me big extra. Let me just find my wacky bun. Okay, here's my wacky bun. Because this is what they show in the image. So I got this. It's pretty decent. So I got that one. So cute. And then, let's see. 2 winky buns. Where is my winky bun? My winky bun. Winky bun. Okay, got my first. This is not winky bun. Okay, got my winky bun. Yeah, this is my winky bun. Those thing. Okay, this is not that. She said she gave me quite a lot of extras. It's not my winky bun. Finally, got my 2 winky buns. So I got this one. Looks pretty good. Looks so cute. It's pretty squishy. And then this bun. I quite ordered a lot of buns, and then she gave me quite a lot of extra too. But I don't know. Maybe she just smooched it in here. Next is my Hello Kitty bun. Here it is. Hello Kitty bun. This is the only thing that it's in the packaging, because this is the original packaging. Oh my god, it looks so cute. Let me take it out from the packaging. That is pretty squishy. So I got that one. It's so cute. I love it already. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, my 2 kiss bun. Okay, this is gonna be on pick. I already see both of them. This is my first kiss bun. So I got that one. Looks so cute. Look at this one. Looks so cuter. Okay, next is my donut bun. Okay, this is not my donut bun at all. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's my invoice. That's my address. So you just stick it up right there. There is my donut bun. Found it. There's like 2 donuts, but this is not my donut bun. Like, where is my donut bun? Oh, here is my donut bun. Okay, here it is. It's pretty squishy. It's kind of slow rising. That's so cute. Pretty slow rising. I got that one. Next is my panda bun. Where's my panda bun? Panda bun. That is not my panda bun. Panda bun. Where are you? Okay, that is not my panda bun at all. No panda. Okay, see it. I can't see it. Oh my god, it's my panda bun. It looks so cute. It's pretty squishy. Pretty squishy. Pretty squishy. Got that one. So cute. Okay, next is my cry bun. Oh, look at this. It looks so cute. So cute. It's pretty squishy. So we got that one. Okay, next is my kiss bun. I ordered that in small. There's like still a lot of things in here, but there's like 4 left. It's my kiss bun, right? Kiss bun, where is kiss bun? Kiss bun, where are you? Where's my kiss bun? That is not my kiss bun. Oh my god. My kiss bun is ripped up. Like, okay, I'm totally gonna fix it. I think I'm gonna return this one. So that is a return, but it's totally fine. Not gonna return it na pala because it's still quite cute. I guess I'm gonna stick it together later. So I got that one. Okay, next is my rainbow bun. Where is my rainbow bun? Is that a rainbow bun? Whatsoever. Look at my rainbow bun! Got that. It's pretty squishy and I like it. Okay, next is my taco and candy. We're gonna get both of those so we can move on to my extras. So it's weird. There's like a lot of extras. So I got this tacos. Looks so cute. She said she gave me like 2 ultimate limited edition squishy on their website, so that's so good. I got that one, pretty squishy, and my candy world is kind of decent. So got that, and that is all. Now for my, I got a lot of extras. Got a lot of extras. Oh my god, she gave me a lot of extra. She gave me 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 extras. 7 extra. That is a lot of extra. So let me put it down. This is the limited edition on their website. This 101. What? This is like $36 on their website. Like what? So got that best extra ever. And then this dipped donut. I got 2 dipped donuts. Looks so cute. This one is with a circle sprinkle, and this one is the straight one. So that's so cute. This one's kind of hard to squish, but it's totally fine. And then this one. And then this one. And then I got 2. This is like a little baggie, and then here. And then this is like where you're gonna put your extra. See this little baggie. So that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like it. And a little more review. I'm just gonna put aside my squishy. I'm gonna show you again. And then here it is. so cute. The big one is so cute. I'm gonna show you guys so quick. That one, this, and this taco. Looks so cute. And this one. Then I'm gonna pick my favorite. I got this one. I got this one. Then I got this. Got that. I got this. Okay, something falls out from the bottom. Got that one. This cute donut. This Winky base. Like so many squishies. This one, and the last one is this fry one. So let's count how many they are, because there are so many, like so many. There's so many, guys, like so many. So let's count them. Okay, this one falls out from the package. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 squishies. Oh my god, that is so many. Like, well, little dirty. So now I'm gonna pick my favorite. I'm gonna go with this.
Bye.
Ah! Sorry for that, guys. So sorry. Now let's do it again. So this one, of course, gonna get this one probably, and then this one, this dip donut, and then this is scary one, and this one, the sprinkled one, and then my panda bun, this extra, and then this craggy paste, and this winged one. So I do have lots of favorites. Let me count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 squishy out of 19 squishies. So that is really a lot. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And bye. Love you guys.